Hello guys, welcome to Libra Philippines. So this is for Libra, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Take only what resonates for personal reading, Jing Tarot Reader. Kung gusto niyo pwede niyo ako i-follow sa TikTok. Ayan, may mga content din ako doon guys na maaaring magustuhan niyo. Start na natin ang reading. This is for the sign of Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay. What do we have here for Libra, please? For Libra, please. For Libra. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, Jupiter, Libra. Okay, let's start your reading. Kunin natin yung main energy mo. Four of Swords. Yeah, this is you, Libra. King of Cups. Ang gusto ko yung energy mo dito, no? Kasi kahit wala kang gawin, I mean, you are focusing on yourself. Yung iba, more on your spiritual path, no? Spiritual development, and yung iba naman, pwedeng emotional development lang. Gusto mo lang maging, focus sa mga importante sa ngayon. Focus on healing. This is you, no? Kahit anong gawin mo, kahit wala kang ginagawa at all, I can see a lot of offer here for you. Pero yung iba sa inyo, pwedeng um, ikaw yung mag-iisip, ikaw yung magdidesisyon regarding dito. May mga times na parang hindi ka sigurado. Kasi pwedeng madagdagan yung responsibility mo. But I can see na ikaw ito na kung ano yung tingin mong magiging okay para sa'yo. Sige lang, push lang. Parang ganun. But because a lot of offers are coming in here for you. Yung iba kung wala pa, paparating pa lang. Pwedeng natututo ka na ring mamili or hindi lahat ino-oohan mo. Maybe in the past, oo ka lang ng oo with regards sa mga offers sa'yo. But I can see offers coming na pwedeng ikaw yung magdidesisyon kung tatanggapin mo or hindi. Let's talk about your person. Person na kakonect mo. Pagdating sa love. Ace of Wands. For some of you, this could be a new person. Yeah, Ace is all about a new energy. Yeah. The Empress. Yeah. You really do like this person. Yung iba kung wala kang kakonect, there's this new person about to come in your life. Pero yung iba naman sa inyo, pwedeng andyan na, and this is a new person. And might be kung siya ay nandyan na, this person could or this could be a past person, pero lumalabas siya as a new person, so might be may mga person ka na nakakonect. And yeah, this is showing as a new person. But anyway, nakikita natin ang taong bagong papalapit or papunta sa'yo. And this person is maybe currently waiting for something. Gusto ko nitong taon to, no? You are the one na talagang parang feeling niya, gusto niya, kailangan niya. And I'm feeling like some of you, if you're dealing with a soulmate, your soulmate is currently stressed right now. Marami siya pinagdadaanan. Might be may mga times na umiiwas sa'yo. If you're soulmate ha, if you're dealing with a soulmate, umiiwas siya because of money or career stuff. Parang kailangan ko muna mag-focus sa aking career, etc. So, anyway. Messages for Libra, please. Messages for Libra. Yeah, you are the Empress. You are really the Empress. Capricorn is also here with the Devil. Some of you, kailangan mong i-admit sa sarili mo that you are quite immature. Okay? Paano immature? Some of you, you are quite bossy. Gusto mo ikaw yung nasusunod, gusto mo ikaw yung, you're quite a manipulator or manipulative. Alam mo yan sa sarili mo. Bossy ka, gusto mo ikaw yung masunod, and you're using your beauty, your power, in order for this thing to happen, na ikaw yung masunod. And in that case, dahil doon sa klaseng pag-uugali mo na yun, you're being immature, no? But some of you, you have a lot of things to offer, 'di ba? Parang marami kang kayang i-offer, you can offer help, you can even give everything, no, for this, for whoever, no, na parang kaya ka nagiging bossy sa kanila, kaya ka nagiging dominant, kasi kaya mo namang ibigay, i-provide yung mga kailangan nila. Yeah, that's your energy here. I feel like, regarding, regarding new journey sa buhay mo, or maybe even new love, willing ka mag-take ng risk dyan, willing ka mag-end ng something, or i-end ang something for something na new para sa'yo. Because for now, ang nakikita natin is you do love yourself, pinapahalagahan mo yung sarili mo, and kung ayaw nila sa'yo, kung ayaw ka nilang paghalagahan, or wala silang pakialam, it's okay, they can go, parang ganon. Na ikaw na yung energy mo is kung ayaw nila or aalis sila, then so be it. Sige, umalis sila. I don't care. This person here with the King of Wands and the Five of Cups energy is really sad. Nalulungkot itong person na ito. This person is maybe gustong umalis sa isang situation, or pwedeng nakaalis na siya sa isang situation, hindi siya masaya. This person wants to move on or move out. Ganun yung energy. And this person is Six of Cups, always thinking of you. Lagi kanya iniisip. Maybe even daydreaming about you. Dreaming about you with the moon. Pisces energy. So, napapanaginipan ka rin itong taong to. And not only napapanaginipan, kahit paggising niya, ikaw yung dine-daydream niya. And this person has a plan. May plano itong person na to. And I feel like this is really a new person. Diba, sinabi ko na kanina yung new person energy, and meron siyang plano. Yan. And you do over the Three of Cups, and this is an energy of to reconcile with you. Pero if this is a new person, makipagkaibigan sa'yo. Ganun. Okay? Gusto niya makipagkaibigan sa'yo, yun yung plano niya. And this person is already manifesting, or parang visualize niya na kasi na ano yung pakiramdam, ano yung feeling, pwedeng nag-i-imagine na siya kung ano yung pakiramdam, kung anong mga gagawin ninyo once na nakita ka niya. Okay, this person is already daydreaming about that. And the moon is here, so yeah. Some of you, this is a soulmate. What will happen in the near future for you, Libra? What will happen in the near future for you, Libra? The Eight of Swords is here. Some of you, pwedeng ikaw yung naglalagay ng boundary in the near future. You are really being immature in the near future, ha? Ngayon pa nga lang eh. And in the near future, maybe pagdating dito sa connection nito. Or maybe, yeah, with regards to this person. Kasi, I don't feel like nakikipag-cooperate ka, or might be ikaw ito na hindi ka magiging open dito sa person nito. You are putting like a shield or boundaries sa inyo. Yan. And I can see na parang, maybe some of you, if you are already a parent, may anak ka na, or single mom, single dad kind of energy, or ganon, or may anak ka na literal, pwedeng, ito yung iniisip mo, maybe kaya ka naglalagay ng boundaries because you're thinking about the kids, you're thinking about the children. So, with the Judgment, yung energy mo in the future is, you want to take this, gusto mong tanggapin, gusto mong kunin, gusto mong i-accept kung ano man ang mga meron dito sa taon to, or you want to cooperate sa connection dito sa person, this new person, but yun nga, naglalagay ka ng boundaries, maybe because of a child, or yung iba sa inyo, nagpapakipot ka because you're being immature. Yan, ganun yung energy. But, lalo na kung hindi ka naman sure, diba? Yung iba naman sa inyo, maybe you're not yet sure because, may ending or about the ending, pwedeng hindi ka pa sure about doon. So, bakit ako mag-a-accept ng something kung hindi pa naman ako sure dito sa ending na to whatsoever? Tell me about Libra in the future. The Tower is here and the Four of Cups. Okay, nagpakita na naman siya, Four of Cups and the Tower. So, this person, the Lovers, and the Eight of Pentacles, this person is working hard and will work hard para magkaroon ng connection or relationship sa inyong dalawa. And regarding this Tower moment na parang hindi ka sure, this person will show you something na para mawala or para, I mean, nagigets niya naiintindihan niya kung bakit hindi ka pa open or naglalagay ka ng boundaries sa inyong dalawa. But this person will try his or her best na ipakita sa'yo kung ano yung mga kaya niyang ibigay with the full, kung ano yung mga kaya niyang itik ng risk sa'yo. This person is willing to wait, no? Ayan. And this person is willing to give kung ano yung mga kulang sa'yo, yung mga kailangan mo, etc. This person is willing to provide kung ano yung kailangan mo with the Death card, Scorpio energy. And, yeah. Yung iba sa inyo nagiging maingat lang, especially if hindi naging maganda yung relationship mo or yung connection mo, or if you have experienced relationship na parang sa una lang magaling, after, diba, after a couple of years, parang iba na, so ayaw mo na ulit maulit yung ganun. So, thank you for watching guys. I love you all and bye-bye.